Youth Career Academy.
Hello everyone, I am Saurav Rai and welcome all of you to the online platform of Youth Career Academy. Youth Career Academy gives you a success with surety. If you want to get a job after 10th, 12th graduation, a commission called SSC gives that opportunity. They conduct first SSC CGL, which is graduate level examination, second is SSC CGL, third CPO, again graduate, and SSCMT is 10th level examination. So in this video we discuss about selection process of SSC CGL, then its exam pattern and detailed syllabus. So student, first we understand its eligibility. Its age limit for SSC CGL is 20 to 30. The maximum age limit is 30 years. And education qualification for all posts is graduate, but some post like junior statistical officer, at least 60% marks in mathematics in 12th standard. There are some age relaxation by central government like ST/SC for ST/SC 5 year, OBC 3 year, PWD 10 year and so on. So in this video we discuss SSC CGL Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3 and Tier 4 examination. So first we discuss about Tier 1 examination of SSC CGL. In this paper there are 4 sections. First is general intelligence, 25 question, consists 50 marks. Second is general awareness, 25 question, 50 marks. Third is quantitative aptitude, 25 question, 50 marks. And fourth, English comprehension, again 25 question, 50 marks. Total 100 question of 200 marks. One question, each one question is 2 marks. The time limit is 60 minutes and negative marking is 1/4 for every question. So after clearing Tier 1, conduct Tier 2 exam. In Tier 2 there are 4 sections, but section 1, section 2 it's common for all posts, but static, finance, accounting and economic governance it's only for a post of AAO in CAG. So section 1, quantitative aptitude, there are 100 question of 200 marks. Time duration is 2 hours. Second is English language and comprehension. Number of question is 200 and maximum marks 200. Time limit is 2 hours. Third section is statics, 100 question of 200 marks. Time limit is 2 hours. Fourth is finance accounting, 40 question of 80 marks, and economic governance 60 question 120 marks, and both have a time of 2 hours. So after Tier 2, SSC conduct Tier 3 for CGL called descriptive paper. You have an option for this paper. You can choose Hindi or English language. The descriptive paper maximum marks is 100 marks and time duration is 1 hour. And then Tier 4, after Tier 3, in this paper 2 exam, first is DEST, second is CPT. DEST, data entry speed test for tax assistant in central excise, and the computer proficiency test for examiner, inspector in as a preventing officer, central excise and etc. So student, in this video we discussed about SSC CGL examination, its pattern, its process, its tier. Youth Career Academy introduced a technology called SIT, Self Improvement Technology. In this technology we find a weaker section of a student and work on it, ensure your success in any competitive examination. So if you want to get success with surety, then join us.